So today I'll be showing you how to connect a USB flash drive to your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. Now, if you have one of these modern USB flash drives with a Type-C connector, then you can just plug it directly to the Type-C port on your iPhone 17. If not, then you do need an OTG adapter. An adapter like this, you can pick it up from Amazon or from any store. They are quite inexpensive. And this one has this port where you can plug in your USB flash drive like that. And the other side has a Type-C connector that goes into the Type-C port of your iPhone 17. Simple as that. Now, when you plug it in, there's not going to be any pop-up or any icon appearing in the status bar. The only way you can know it's been connected is by going to the Files app. So this app right here. So tap on that, and then you wanna hit the back button until you go to this home page or the browse page, or you can simply tap on the browse icon at the bottom. Now, from the locations, you will see your USB flash drive. Now, mine is currently called No Name, but that's my flash drive. So when I open it, I can actually see all the files and folders inside my USB flash drive. I can look at my photos. For instance, I can look at that if it's in the correct format, that is. Okay, I can look at this picture, for instance. Now, some of the documents and photos are gonna open using the preview application, which is that new app. You can just go back, and here's a folder. I can look at that folder and the subfolders and look at everything that's inside there. Okay, so that is basically how to connect. Now you can transfer files and folders from the USB flash drive to the phone, and to the phone to the USB, and from the phone to the USB flash drive. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.